the others like those sprays, the thunderstorm will seek out and destroy them. Now's the time to order. Eden Pure's buy one, get one free sale is this week only, with over 265,000 sold and countless 5-star reviews. You know it works. People are buying several for around their home and as gifts. Go to EdenPureDeals.com. Put in the discount code RedEyeBOGO. That's EdenPureDeals.com. Discount code RedEyeBOGO. And shipping is free.
Are you the parent of a 2 to 7-year-old? Listen closely for an exciting free radio offer. By now you've probably heard of ABC Mouse, the Parents' Choice Award-winning online learning program that's actually changing the lives of early learners everywhere.
ABC Mouse is like a little one-on-one teacher. It has helped her so much.
Right now, we're offering a special radio promo to try it free for a month. But you have to go to abcmouse.com/radio to claim your free month. That's abcmouse.com/radio.
Sponsored by Age of Learning.
Red Eye Radio and our sponsors are devoted to trucking safety. That's why we are proud to bring you the Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club. We've been saluting drivers who have surpassed the million-mile mark with preventable, accident-free driving. By reaching this milestone, you can be a part of an elite club of drivers who share remarkable safety records and demonstrate superior driving skills. If you or someone you know is a truck driver with 1 million miles or more of driving under your belt without a preventable accident, register online at RedEyeRadioShow.com. That's RedEyeRadioShow.com. The Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club would not be possible without the generous support of the fine folks from Petro Stopping Centers, House Lubricator, Motel 6, the St. Christopher Fund, and Cat Scale. We applaud the individual truckers and fleets who drive with care and keep our highways safe. The Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club, devoted to trucking safety. Register online at RedEyeRadioShow.com.
Follow The Trucker on social media for the latest trucking news. Follow us on Facebook at The Trucker Newspaper, on Twitter at Trucker Talk, or on Instagram at The Trucker Media. Join The Trucker, along with truckers across the nation, to keep up with resources you need to succeed in the industry. Visit us on the web at thetrucker.com or pick up a free copy of our newspaper at one of almost 400 truck stops across the country. That's thetrucker.com.
Sponsored by The Trucker Media Group.
Talk Radio 560 KSFO, San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose, a Cumulus media station.
The home stretch. I'm Laura Cantor, Fox News. With the midterm elections coming down to the wire, President Biden appearing at a rally in Philadelphia in support of Pennsylvania Democratic U.S. Senate candidate John Fetterman and gubernatorial candidate Josh Shapiro. Here's the president promoting his student loan relief program.
We provided $10,000 in student debt relief. And another $10,000 if you got a Pell Grant. No one under 20, you have to be making less than under 25 a year, and 90% of that money goes to people earning less than $75,000 a year.
Republicans say the president did not have the legal right to forgive student loans and that it will raise taxes. The program has been temporarily halted in the courts. Former President Obama also speaking at the rally. And at a rally in Latrobe, Pennsylvania, Saturday for Republican Senate candidate Dr. Mehmet Oz and gubernatorial candidate Doug Mastriano, former President Trump denouncing the Biden administration's economic policies.
Inflation is costing the typical household nearly $800 every single month. Congratulations. Who the hell voted for these people? What are we doing?
It's not known if there's a winner of Saturday night's record $1.6 million Powerball jackpot. The numbers are 28, 45, 53, 56, and 69. And Red Powerball, 20. The Houston Astros defeating the Philadelphia Phillies 4-1 in Game 6 of the World Series to win the title Saturday night. It's the Astros' second win in 6 seasons. And remember to set your clocks back 1 hour when they hit 2 a.m. local time as Standard Time returns. America is listening to Fox News.
From the Fox News Podcast Network, the Fox News Rundown, a contrast of perspective. perspectives you won't hear anywhere else. Your daily dose of news twice a day, going far beyond the headlines, tapping into the massive reporting resources of Fox News to provide a full picture of the news of the day.
I'm Dana Perino.
I'm Brett Baer.
I'm Maria Bartiromo.
I'm Brian Kilmeade, and this is the Fox News Rundown.
Subscribe and listen now by going to foxnewspodcast.com or wherever you get your podcasts. From the Fox News Podcasts Network.
Hey, it's Will Kane, co-host of Fox and Friends Weekend. Please, I share my thoughts on a wide range of topics from sports and pop culture to politics and business. With the help of newsmakers and personalities, I will provide you my free, unfiltered, uncancelable opinion on the hottest topics in America.
The Will Kane Podcast. Subscribe and listen now at foxnewspodcast.com or wherever you get your podcasts. America is listening to Fox News.
With Elon Musk's purchase of Twitter, the social media giant's blue check mark now comes with a price. Fox's Kevin Uretsky has the details.
For $8 a month, Twitter users can now subscribe to a service which includes the blue check mark, which up until now had been used to indicate a verified account. It's the latest change in just over a week since Elon Musk took over Twitter. On Friday, he laid off half of the company's 7,500 staff members, claiming he had no choice, saying Twitter is losing $4 million a day. Twitter is also losing advertisers who may be worried about possible offensive content due to Musk's stated commitment to free speech. United Airlines is the latest to pause ads, joining General Motors, REI, General Mills, and Howard.
Twitter co-founder and former CEO Jack Dorsey said in a statement Saturday that he is to blame for Saturday's firings because he grew the company too quickly. An investigation launched into the deaths of 5 people in a Maryland home. Fox's Samantha Liebman reports.
A call of a shooting in the Washington, D.C. suburb of La Plata Friday led police to the bodies of 5 adults inside a Windflower Drive home. According to a preliminary investigation, the suspect ID'd as Andre Sales came and killed his ex-girlfriend, her brother, mother, and another man. Then he turned the gun on himself. According to Fox 5 D.C., the ex-girlfriend was identified as 21-year-old Sarah Mann. Police said 2 young children were initially unaccounted for, but later found safe at a different location. It's unclear if the children are related to the victims or the suspect.
In college football, number 1 Georgia defeating number 2 Tennessee 27-13. Georgia quarterback Stetson Bennett threw for 2 touchdowns and ran for 1 as well. Georgia now positioning itself to move into the top spot next week's college football playoff ranking. I'm Laura Cantor, Fox News.
Diamond earrings.
Diamond earrings.
Diamond earrings are happening at Shreve & Company.
None of your friends have ever seen diamonds like these.
Shreve diamonds throw jagged shards of light across the room.
Like a disco ball gone out of control.
No one will be able to look away.
Magical diamonds.
For magical women.
Nothing is quite so elegant as a perfectly matched pair of diamond stud earrings.
Diamond earrings go with everything.
You can wear them with evening gowns
or blue jeans.
The perfect illumination for a woman's face.
It's a perfectly matched pair of diamond earrings.
Let there be light.
Let it be, let it be, let it be.
You can trust Shreve & Company to have diamond earrings that exceed all others.
Shreve & Company, when only the best will do.
Shreve & Company, luxury timepieces, fine designers, and flawless diamonds.
You'll find Shreve in Palo Alto, perfectly situated in the Stanford Shopping Center.
And the world's most beautiful jewelry store, the flagship Shreve, at 150 Post off Union Square.
It